So I just got back from Tempe, Arizona for the 5th annual Freedom Fest event hosted by the Home Business Academy. And man, oh man, was this a phenomenal experience. And not only that, not only did I get to hang out with the owners and a ton of other really cool people at this event and participate in a ton of really cool activities like hiking up a mountain, exploring an aquarium right here, but I also got to hear about all the really cool updates that have come to the Home Business Academy. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all the new features inside of the Home Business Academy. And whether you are doing research on this because you want to know more about what HBA has to offer, or you are interested in a way to earn a residual income online, or you want to grow your existing online or offline business, then pay close attention because I'm going to go over everything that you need to know about HBA. So real quick, I'll just show some pictures of the event. These are some people that I met, initially online. So Dirk and Muriel from the Netherlands, I've known them for about 5 years. They're from the Netherlands and they live in Costa Rica. This is my first time meeting them in person. And I got to meet Gio Gianto, who's another top earner in this company. Bobby right here. Julia, I think is her name. And then this was the conference room where we got to listen to the different speakers. And so they also handed out awards at this event. And at this event, I was actually given an award, which is right here. And I'll show that I got that right here. So this award, I actually was not expecting to get this, but with the amount of sales that I generated inside of HBA, how they have their affiliate program set up is a portion of every transaction that takes place, whether that is you paying for your own membership and or when you refer people to the affiliate program and they sign up, a portion of every transaction goes to a charity that feeds hungry kids all around the world. It's called Feed My Starving Children. And so when they give out awards based on like sales that you've generated, it's actually more based around the amount of kids that were fed. So this award was actually for hitting the threshold of feeding, I believe it was 500 kids per an entire year with the amount of sales that I generated. So the affiliate program, to start out with, it pays 80% recurring commissions. And I'll go over the affiliate program shortly here, but part of the 20% that goes to the company, actually, they take part of that and then they donate it to charity. And so that's one thing that's really unique about this company right here. So one funny thing that I'll show real quick, and then I'll get into the updates, is the same exact day that I got this award right here, literally right after I went back to my hotel room, I happened to check my email and I see this. It says, "We have removed your channel from YouTube." So my YouTube channel, Mr. Orange Dream, I have 2 different YouTube channels right here. This was like my old one where I would post a lot of like step-by-step training series. And like this is like the main one that I grew. But then I also had another one called Mr. Orange Dream. And that channel got terminated from YouTube the same day that I got this trophy. And this is pretty much where all of my sales came from. So I thought that was kind of a weird coincidence how this happened like the same exact day. And it said I had repeated violations of spam, deceptive practices, and I know what the deal is. I had 0 strikes on this channel, by the way. And I tried putting an appeal, and it looks like if I click on it, this was like 4 days ago, I'm still waiting to hear back from them. So I don't know if they're actually going to put the channel back up, but most likely I'll just create another one. And so one thing that I'll share real quick about this, and just one thing I'll recommend, you want to be building up your email list and you don't want to rely on any, one social media platform. So just something to be aware of. And that is, of course, one thing that you learn inside of HBA. And also I have trainings on that as well. But also the cool thing about this is it pays recurring commissions. And with their affiliate program, people who sign up, they generally keep their accounts active for the long haul. So if you want to build up stable recurring income online, then this is a really great program to promote because anyone that you refer, not only are they getting a tool that they'll need for their online business anyway, but they have ongoing training and support, and you have direct access to the owners and other members who are doing really well. But their affiliate program pays 80% recurring commission. So 2 referrals, you're in profit. 1 referral is $128 per month recurring commission. And you get like, let's say 25 referrals, you're already at like $3K per month in residuals. So that doesn't even include another product in here that pays like an additional $400 on top of this. But that being said, I want to go over the cool features about HBA that were just announced at this event. And so I got to be the first to see this. So the biggest update to the Home Business Academy is, unlike how it was before, where you had multiple different logins for each of the main products right here, now they have it where everything is under one umbrella. So when you sign up to HBA, you get access to their productivity app, which is called Let's Goal, and you could download this right on your phone. Instead of having to, like if I click on it, this is in the old back office, by the way, but if I click on this right here, Let's Goal, this opens up another website, another tab, and then you would basically log in from here. And so now with the new update, you can just access it right from the dashboard right here. And why does this matter so much? Like what's the big deal with this? Well, the main deal with this is people who are non-techie, who aren't like the best when it comes to figuring out like where to find certain things, they have access to it right away. And so what that also does is, from a affiliate standpoint, it also helps people stay on board with the program because they have access to everything easier. They stay inside of the platform. And then not only that, but there is also their own, they also recently launched their own social media network right here. So much like how you go on Facebook and you see the different, posts in your timeline feed right here, you can go right in here. You could interact with the different members inside the community, and then you could also ask questions right here. So any question you have, put it in the chat. You could, like and comment on people's posts right here. And then also people are sharing their pictures from the event as well. So I'll share some other cool things from the event also, but the website builder, or the funnel builder, and Funnel Builders Academy is right here. You do still have a login for the funnel builder, so that's pretty much the same as before, but that's just because it's like its own software basically. And so all the videos are in here. You have the premium, and this teaches you how to go out there and get traffic to any business. Free marketing, paid marketing strategies right here. And of course, you have the live masterminds, Monday through Friday, every Monday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern. You can hear from a different brand new person who's getting results online, and you could see what they're doing and then take ideas from them, implement it into your own business, and then you could, of course, use that to get traffic to whatever you're doing. FLA is the money management and tax strategy guide right here. This pays $400 commissions. So anyone who gets this, you make $400. And then of course, with the affiliate section right here, the biggest update to this is you no longer need to create a whole other account for this. Instead, you have all of your affiliate links right in here. So you just go to my business, my links, and then any product that you want to promote, whether it's the all-in-one, the main offer right here that promotes all 4 products at once, you can just preview the VSL right here. And so this pretty much explains the entire business overview and everything that you get. And you could either promote that or you have the other product standalone. So I could just click on more affiliate links. And then you have, like, if you just want to promote the website builder, the productivity app, premium, or FLA, and then you have other VSLs for different offers right here. So the other huge benefit of the affiliate section that I really like, and I was looking for another program that would offer this, is you have the ability to earn from multiple income streams. So right here inside of settings, you could actually add in your own affiliate links for different resources that are recommended inside of HBA. So for example, every single online business is going to need an email autoresponder tool. So if you are looking to not rely fully on social media and you don't want to have to worry about something like this happening to you where you lose access to your entire following online, then the best thing that you could do is to be building your email list. And so that will be with a tool like Aweber or GetResponse. Both of these have affiliate programs. When you refer someone, they pay you to bring members in. You could earn residual income here. And so the way how they have this set up is you put in your affiliate link, you save it, and then whenever someone goes to the training inside of HBA and they hear about, okay, pick up Aweber for this step right here, they click on the link for Aweber and you get the credit for the sale. And then that's another stream of residual income. So there's a few income streams in here. I don't really know what RoboForm is, but it looks like that's for like passwords, a few video hosting platforms, YouTube keyword research tool, and the Acorns app, and there's probably going to have other things in here as well. But you could put in your income streams, your other affiliate links, and then it's more income for the same amount of work. So that being said, I think I pretty much went over everything that, well, the main features that have been released inside of here. There's also another AI app that I'll mention, so that is under Premium. And this is a really unique tool right here because it helps you come up with prompts that you could use for ChatGPT. So if you are having trouble coming up with ideas or getting ChatGPT or Grok to give you good information, then this will actually help you come up with prompts that you could put into ChatGPT, which is really cool. So it's a really great complementary tool. Of course, we're not going to make like a AI tool that's going to compete fully with, ChatGPT, but this is a really great tool to have if you want to use AI in your business and you want to get ideas for either creating content, writing articles, anything else, anything that you want to get ideas for. This is a really great tool to have. So real quick, I'll just show some more pictures from the Freedom Fest event. And by the way, if you would like to add me on Facebook, and if you're not already friends with me on here, I'll have the link down below if you're watching this on YouTube, and you could check out, some more things here that I'm posting. So I checked out the Sea Life Aquarium in Tempe, Arizona. This is really cool. And then also I did a mountain hike with the members of HBA. So we got to climb up the mountain right here. And yeah, I got to go all the way up to the top, and we got some more pictures up here. So this is actually really fun because we got to climb all the way to the top. We got a ton of cool pictures. We got to watch the sunset. There was a rainbow that came out, and then it started to rain. So we had to quickly scurry down the mountain without slipping, which was quite nerve-wracking. But yeah, here's some pictures that were posted, and I posted some more videos myself right here. So yeah, I'll kind of go through some of these, and yeah, Dirk and Muriel, and there's Paul Hutchings, one of the co-founders, and let's see who else. Muriel, Amy, Bobby, Dirk right here. And yeah, so it was a really fun experience, and I highly recommend going to events if you have the chance. One thing that's really cool about Freedom Fest is, like I mentioned, it's a nonprofit event, so there's no hype around it. There's no financial incentive for me to say, pick up a ticket for Freedom Fest. But what I will say about Freedom Fest specifically is when you buy a ticket, not only can you attend in person, but you get access to you could also attend it virtually. And then you also get access to all the previous events at no extra cost. So there's 5 events that have been done in total. You get access to all 5 of those when you buy a ticket to the one next year. And then you could just attend it either in person or virtually. So that's just one thing that I'll mention. But if you'd like to check out HBA, I'll have the link right down below, or you can message me directly on here if you have any questions. Reach out to me if there's anything that you want to ask. Otherwise, I'll have the link down below, and I will have a brand new training put together for my members of HBA. So it'll be another, if you want to watch over my shoulder and see how I go out there and market my business, even from starting from complete scratch, because I'm going to start a whole nother channel very soon, then you will be able to do that as a member. And I'm going to document my entire process, starting from zero, as if I was completely brand new. How do I go out there? How do I rank for videos? How do you gain views? And I will document all of that with a brand new YouTube channel. That's what I'll be doing very soon. So that being said, check it out down below. Reach out if you have any questions. I will see you on the inside. Click on that link down below. I'll see you there, and take care, all the best.